Nota Bene's log and resume feature will reopen all the files that had been opened at the point of last exiting the program. The word processor automatically logs the files saved on the last exit. But in addition, with the log and resume feature, users can log the open files associated with their projects and give it a name. This way, they can resume their work at the exact point in which they left off in each of the files related to the project. Let's look at how to do this. First, make sure that the currently open files are related to your project. The Log and Resume dialog appears either by clicking on File, Log and Resume, or on the Log and Resume icon found among the toolbars. With the File, Log and Resume dialog open, click once on the currently open files. Type an appropriate name to give to this group of files and click on the Log option. Now the user can start Nota Bene and select the log file name to open the project's constituent files.